What if I told you that the Simpsons creators encrypted the future of the global financial system in one episode, and the key to this code is 3 letters that will flip everything you knew about money? And it's not BTC, it's not ETH, it's an asset the elite have been hiding for decades while insiders accumulated positions. Welcome back, this is Katz. Today we're unraveling the craziest rabbit hole in crypto history. Why did The Simpsons, the show that predicted Trump, Disney acquiring Fox, and the pandemic, feature an actor from The Big Bang Theory with a message about the money of the future? How are Royal Purple, a Phoenix, and motor oil connected to XRP? And most importantly, why do Gematria, elite symbols, and royal code all point to XRP being not just a cryptocurrency, but a bridge into a new financial system designed by banking dynasties? Let's break it down. Season 13, episode 31 of The Simpsons. Remember these numbers, 1331. They'll come back. Jim Parsons appears on screen, the actor from The Big Bang Theory. He's standing between 2 pyramids made of cash. A beam of light hits him from above. Look carefully. Pyramids made of fiat money. Light falling from above. A symbol of the shadow banking system, the one that's controlled capital flows for the last 100 years. But why pyramids? Because a pyramid is a financial scheme approaching its end. Paper money is a pyramid, and The Simpsons are literally showing us their time is up. Next shot, a motorcyclist on a bike with a Phoenix symbol jumps over trucks full of cash. Notice the color of the ramp, Royal Purple, the exact color that insider BearableGuy123 has been using to code XRP in his posts for years. The same color Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse wears at all major appearances. The Phoenix, an ancient symbol of rebirth from ashes. The old system burns. XRP is the Phoenix rising in its place. But here's what really blows your mind. After landing, the motorcyclist instantly gets off the bike, and a new rider takes the handlebars. This happens in seconds. What does this mean? XRP is a bridge asset. It converts to any other cryptocurrency instantly. No delays, no intermediaries. This isn't just a token, it's the oil that lubricates the entire system. Zoom into the motorcycle shot. The headlight has 13 illuminated dots. 13 dots. 13 banking families that control the global financial system. Rothschilds, Rockefellers, Morgans, Warburgs, and so on. They're in the headlight because they're illuminated. They see the future. They're designing it. Also, look at the motorcyclist's suit. It's a direct reference to Flare Finance. Next frame, a giant accounting book, Ledger, XRP Ledger, text on screen. To be the money of the future, enter money of the future into Gematria. Result, XRP the storm and level playing field. Both equal 1,331. Remember the Simpsons episode? Season 13, episode 31. Yes, 1,331 again. Add the digits. 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 equals 8. Now take XRP's numerical value in Gematria, 440. Add 4 plus 4 plus 0 equals 8 again. 8 is the symbol of infinity, infinite liquidity, infinite bridge between assets. XRP is the number 8 lying on its side. Jim Parsons holds a sign saying "not a nerd." Enter this phrase into a Gematria calculator. You get 2 results, Phoenix and future. The future belongs to the Phoenix. XRP is often depicted as a phoenix, so they're telling us the future is XRP. Next scene, a man on a jet ski hands something to a girl. Her name is April Ledger. Last name, Ledger, like XRP Ledger. Fins with the XRP symbol hang on the wall. A wave appears on screen. Purple carpet on the floor. Everything connects. Wave, ripple, purple, Royal XRP Ledger, blockchain. Let's connect the dots. Fiat pyramids are crumbling. The XRP Phoenix takes flight on a Royal Purple ramp. 13 banking families light the way. Gematria screams 1,331, 8 Phoenix future. Ledger everywhere. These aren't 3 separate Easter eggs. This is one line. A line leading to the conclusion XRP isn't crypto for retail investors. It's an asset designed by the elite for the new financial system. But you know what's the craziest part? Most XRP holders don't even understand what they're holding. While millions argue about Ethereum's flippening, while Bitcoin maximalists laugh at the banker coin, the elite quietly embed XRP into global infrastructure. And here's the final cherry on top that will blow your mind. Remember the shot where Jim Parsons stands at a board with the inscription "Remnants of the Big Bang Theory" with numbers rapidly increasing? Enter the phrase "Remnants of the Big Bang Theory" into Gematria. Result, extremely specific info. The word specific specific is a marker of premium motor oils. I googled Royal Purple XRP, and I found motor oil called XPR, Royal Purple Extreme Performance Racing Motor Oil. Read slowly. XPR, Extreme, Performance, Racing, Royal Purple. This isn't XRP, it's XPR. Same letters, different order. Extreme Performance, Racing, Royal Purple. Now match the Simpsons frame with Jim Parsons at the board and a bottle of this oil. They fit together into one picture, perfectly. Above the word purple, yeah, crown. The Simpsons are literally telling us XRP is the oil for the new financial system. Without it, the engine won't run. Without XRP, the bridge between assets doesn't work. This isn't a token, it's the lubricant for trillions of dollars in liquidity. At first, honestly, I looked at Gematria and symbolism skeptically. Great, another conspiracy theory with stretches. But the more I dug, the more coincidences I found. 1331, 8, Phoenix Purple Oil, Crown. I can't look at this and think just coincidence. No. I look at this and think, my god, they've been giving us clues for years. Insiders encode information in mass culture, while the elite quietly build a system where XRP is the central asset. While banking dynasties design the new financial system, each of us still has a chance to take a position before the doors close to retail. That's why we created Katz Wallet. Katz Wallet, no exchanges, no intermediaries. Bank level security, staking, automatic airdrop collection, and most importantly, tools for tracking whale movements and institutional flows in real time. Because when the XRP ETF is approved, and it's a matter of months, not years, those who prepared will see returns measured not in percentages, but in multiples. If XRP is truly being embedded into the global financial system as a bridge asset between fiat, crypto, and CBDCs, its future value won't be measured in cents or even hundreds of dollars. When trillions in institutional money flow through XRP Ledger, when central banks start using it for cross-border settlements, when every transaction between yuan and euro passes through this bridge, we'll see numbers that seem insane right now. $10, $100, $1,000? The question isn't whether XRP will reach these levels. The question is whether you'll accumulate a position before institutions buy up all available supply from the market. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell. Katz will be back soon.